Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Power of Boro Man. It's quarter to 5 time in the morning. So today's vlog going to be run Kokrajhar to Debwrgaon. Today's destination is non-stop running till Debwrgaon. Okay. So here we go. Keep tuning, guys. Just getting down from the room. I stay on the top floor, third floor. Getting down, walking down. Okay, as you can see, the weather also cloudy. As you can see, cloudy. Here we go. Stay tuned, guys. So guys, from here I have started my running. Today's destination is Debwrgaon. So stay tuned, guys. We ain't never getting older.
Look as good as the day I met you. I forget just why I left you. I was insane. Stay and play that Blink 182 song that we beat to death in Tucson.
So guys, I have reached the BTC Secretary Office gate. I'm still running.
Boy, it's no call. Now I'm looking pretty in a hotel bar, and I can't stop.
So guys, legs are a little bit pain, but it doesn't matter whether it is pain. But I have to. The matter is that I have to reach my destination, Debwrgaon. So stay tuned. So guys, I have reached Bodoland Guest House. Still running. Still destination remain. Let's go. Guys, I get sweat. You can see. It's in my face. I have reached Kokrajhar. You can see this Kokrajhar. Stay tuned, guys.
So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Bite that tattoo on your shoulder. Pull the sheets right off the corner of that mattress that you stole.
I think this place is called Shamgal. It's Shamgal. Stay tuned, guys. Guys, as you can see, I have reached to Plateau Complex, and this man is hard work pulling the bamboo. So guys, this is Plateau Complex, as you can see. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share, and comment below. So guys, stay tuned. Almost gonna reach my destination. Far from the destination. From here, the Debwrgaon place is started near the Bodoland University. So I'm gonna reach there. I'm still running. You can see my legs. My legs are a little bit paining, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. The matter of fact is, I have to reach my destination. So stay tuned, guys. Guys, I have reached to Debwrgaon now. This way goes to medical college, and this straight goes to Bodoland University. You can see this Bodoland University. This is the right turn. You can see Bodoland Martyrs Cemetery. Wow. Oh my god, finally I have reached my destination, the Bodoland Martyrs Cemetery. Wow, I'm feeling so happy. Happiest moment of my life. I have succeeded, as I have promised that I have to run till Debwrgaon BODOLAND MARTYRS Cemetery. Guys, finally I have reached my destination. This is, you can see behind me, Bodoland Martyrs Cemetery, and my destination was still there only. So I have reached my destination, and today's vlog, I think I have to end my vlog from here only. So guys, bye and see you in the next vlog, and stay healthy. I would like to suggest you guys that please do workout in the morning, and guys, stay healthy, and thank you very much for watching my vlog. See you again. Bye.